Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Val and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Bitcoin was completing an Elliott wave structure on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was one of those videos that I shared few hours ago with you. And when I shared this video with you, at that time it was completing the wave 4. And I was telling you that if wave 4 will not overlap the territory of wave 1, this green line that I was showing you in my previous video, then we may see the beginning of wave 5 soon. Otherwise, this Elliott wave can be invalidated. Now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that wave 4 has overlapped the territory of wave 1. Therefore, now this Elliott wave is invalidated. However, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here you can see that we have also broken down this support of the triangle as well. That was at $60,000. And previously, you can see that a few days ago, we broke down this support here as well. And then the price, and again, we entered the triangle. And now we have broken down the support of the triangle. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you the candlestick and RSI. Both oscillators are entered the oversold zone. And we will also take a look at this weekly time frame chart. You can see that after breaking out this big falling wedge pattern, the price line rallied very well and formed this up channel. Right now, we are breaking down the support of this channel, and we have also broken down the EMA 21 on the weekly time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I have also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of July 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like there's a trade setup for NTRN, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade signal, like this trade setup I shared on 15th of July 2024. And you can also want the complete trade setup as well, like this for the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very, very massive rally, by the way. Now, let me take you to the live chart, and this is the 4-hour time frame chart. And this was the Elliott wave structure that I was showing you in my previous video. This was the impulsive wave 1. Then we have the correction wave 2 that did not retrace more than 100% of wave 1. Then we had another powerful impulsive and longest wave 3. And this was the expected correction wave 4. But you can see that now this wave 4 has retraced more than 100% of this whole structure. And it has just overlapped the territory of wave 1. The territory of wave 1 was here at $58,488. Therefore, this Elliott wave structure is invalidated. At the same time, on a 4-hour time frame chart, we also had a bullish divergence signal as well, as the price line was forming a low that I was showing in my previous video. At the same time, stochastic was moving up and forming higher low, and RSI was also forming higher low. Therefore, the price line moved slightly to the upside. We had a small jump here, but could not start a massive move from here. And finally, we broke down the support of this triangle on the daily time frame chart. Now, if you take a look at the target for this breakdown from this descending triangle, the technical target for this breakdown is, by the way, here, approximately at $48,800. And you can see that price line has almost hit that target, because so far it has dropped up to $49,647. And we have almost hit that target. And now if we take a look at the oscillator, then you can see that stochastic has entered the oversold zone once again, and RSI has also entered the oversold zone. This is very important, because if RSI enters the oversold zone with the stochastic on the daily time frame chart, then soon there is a very, very high probability that the price line can start a correction move to the upside. It was happening here. It was also happening here as well. This time, by the way, we had a small correction. And after that, the price line again dropped down. Then we had a big correction move, a very nice move, nice rally. And before that, it was also happened here as well when it was entered the oversold zone here. Then you can see that after that, we had a very, very massive rally. And now, again, it has entered the oversold zone. That can be a signal or hope that we may see soon a price correction to the upside. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here we have more critical situation, because the price line has broken down a very long-term uptrend line support of this up channel. You can see that this support was coming from here from the month of September 2023. We had stable touch points here, and we had another bounce here, and now recently we have broken down the support, and we have also broken down this support of $56,500 as well. That was the lowest price of the month of April 2024. And after that, you can see that we had a nice jump. It again worked as a support here in the month of July 2024. And again, we had a nice jump, but got rejected by this very long-term resistance on that starts from $69,000 and goes to $73,794. By the way, this $69,000 resistance coming from the month of November 2021, that was the highest price of the previous bull run. And this $73,794 is the highest price of the current bull run so far. And you can see that the pricing is rejected by this resistance here. And this time, once again, the pricing is rejected by the lower band, the lower support of this resistance zone that was at $69,000. You can see that this time the pricing moved up to $69,400, but it could not break out this resistance zone. And now we have broken down the support of the channel. But I have been telling you in my so many previous videos that a more important support will be this one. That is at $48,000. And after breaking down this support of $56,500 and the support of the channel, it can again work as a very, very strong support. That is at $48,000. That has been previously breaking as a resistance here and resistance here. And now it can be flipped into a very, very strong support if the price and will be moved there. If it will be broken down, then we can see some further move to the downside, because breaking down this key support of $48,000 can increase the sell pressure. However, now we are very close to hit the support. And at the same time, stochastic has again entered the oversold zone on this weekly time frame chart as well. Right now, this fast line has entered the oversold zone. The slow line, the orange line or bearish line, is moving to the downside. And previously, when this fast line was entered the oversold zone here, the slow line did not enter, and we received a bull cross, and we had a short rally. But it's possible that if we will receive a bull cross before this slow line entering the oversold zone, then we may see another correction move to the outside. However, if both lines will be entered the oversold zone and we will receive a complete bull cross like we received here and here as well, then the pricing can start another correction move on the weekly time frame chart as well. Now we need to keep an eye on this support of $48,000, because this time this support can work same as like the previously $25,000 was working as a very, very strong support. If we move back here in the month of August 2023, you can see that we formed a double top here. We had a very, very strong resistance here at $31,000, and we had a very nice key support here at $25,000. That was previously breaking as a resistance here, support here, support here, and again worked as a nice support. And after getting bounced from the support, the price and again broke out the resistance of EMA 21, and then we had a very, very nice rally to the upside. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.